Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And we are starting off the vlog inside the car because we are headed out to the first Cars and Coffee of 2025 in the ProCharged Shelby GT350, man. As you guys can see, the weather is kind of sketch. It's supposed to start raining in like 2 hours. It's going to freeze overnight. It's crazy. It's like 70 degrees right now, and it's gonna literally drop 40 degrees overnight, which is insane. That is Houston weather in a nutshell. Literally in a nutshell. Now, hopefully, sometime next week, I'm gonna be dropping off the car at Bomberas to get a number of maintenance things done. The oil pan gasket, oil pressure switch, oil change, blower oil change, and overall just essentially getting the car ready for Texas 2K. Essentially, obviously, I'm gonna have to do another oil change before Texas 2K, I believe, because I like to change my oil every 2,000 miles, and I'm almost positive I'm gonna be putting 2,000 miles. Actually, you know what? It depends. If I drop the car off, well, I have to drive down there. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do the oil change before Texas 2K, 110%. But yeah, hopefully it's this week. If not, it'll be the week of the 20th. Hope it's this week though, because this will actually be like a good week to do it because it's gonna be shitty out. So obviously I really can't drive the car. So I might as well get the car worked on while you can't really drive it. But hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we get it done this week. If not, the week of the 20th, man. But this weather is trash. It actually might start raining while I'm up here, which would suck. It really would, because if it starts to rain, the temperature is gonna drop like a rock. It's gonna go from like 70 to like 50, and then it's gonna get cold real fast. And honestly, I don't trust these tires when it gets that cool and wet weather. I just don't trust them. So hopefully that does not happen. But we're gonna be pulling up very, very shortly. I don't know how the turnout is gonna be because the weather is pretty bad. The last time I went out to like one of these like cruises slash, you know, car meets, the weather was just like this, gloomy, and it actually was raining a little bit. The turnout, it was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, it was pretty good, but I don't know how it's going to be today because this is just like a Cars and Coffee, not a cruise. So yeah, some people might not want to drive, you know, 45 minutes out to park up somewhere and potentially have it be rained out as soon as they get there. So we'll see how it is. I'll catch up with you guys when we get to the spot.
A few moments later.
All right, so we are about to be pulling up. I wonder if this turnout's gonna be good. To be honest with you, it's looking real gloomy. Oh man, the further north I went, the worse it started to look. But I wanted to pop out for the first meet of the year. Tradition. But it's looking pretty bad, I ain't gonna lie. I don't think it's gonna be a good turnout. Look, somebody's already leaving. That's not a good sign. This joint's only been going on for 18 minutes. And somebody's already leaving. I'm not really seeing a line of cars trying to get in, which is not a good sign. Some cars here, you know what I'm saying? It's not bad. Pulling up. There's more over there though, but yeah, it's not bad. Probably gonna park in the back though, no cap. Ooh. I wonder where this fella's going. But it's gonna definitely start coming down hard. For sure. Actually, I think I already see some rain droplets. Like, no joke. I think I already see some rain droplets. Like, I think it's actually, dude, it's actually starting to rain right now. Like, no joke. It's raining right now. Damn. Yep. I'm gonna go around the back and see if I can get like a parking spot. I don't want to park right there because I don't want to get like boxed in. But see if we can pull up through here. We'll see if we can pull up through here. But yeah, dude, it's definitely gonna rain, bro. Yeah, I'll just park it over here. Why not? Oh, I see a Cobra over there. For a second, I thought that was my car, my old FRS right there. Oh, they have the bikes parked up. Fuck.
One eternity later.
All right, let's see what's here. Ooh, 1314 GT500. You honestly do not see these that much anymore. For whatever reason. I don't know why you don't see these that much anymore. It's probably because they're only manual. People don't know how to drive them. Oh shit! Carbon hood on the S650. I didn't even recognize it at first. This is the first time I've seen a carbon hood in an S650. He's got the dark horse ring on it too. Shit, that's what's up. That Gen 1. What up, man? Damn. Whipple Cobra. Damn. Whipple Cobra is nice. You just picked this car up too. Hell yeah. That shit's badass.
390. I mean, yeah, 394. And that's in my work van. It's a 10,000 van.
Z01. Got the Honda lineup, Type R's. I do like the Type R's, I ain't gonna lie. They are clean.
Even on mine, he's like, I would never buy it again.
They are clean. Oh shit. Somebody road raging. Somebody for real road raging over there. Got a couple Z's.
Oh yeah.
That thing is on bags.
Straighten it out. Straighten the wheel.
love the color. Damn. This is the color that I wish I got. Damn. Looks good. I was boosted. Ah, damn. Boost to Z. Ooh, this Cadillac's clean too. I like the red. What color code is that? That's tough as fuck. I don't know how this wind noise is gonna be, but it's starting to come down. This R8 is clean too. Dang.
Tend to have a complete headlight. Yeah, go on the right. I see.
These guys got the Christmas wraps on their hoods. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is starting to drizzle a little bit. All right, so it just started to rain, or I should say it was raining. So now I'm gonna use this opportunity to dip. Man, this bipolar Texas weather, man, I'll tell you. I did not want to leave when it was coming down. I don't trust these little R2s like in the pouring rain. But when it's wet like this, you know what I'm saying, just drive like, you know, 30, 40 mile an hour, you straight, hopefully. But yeah, I'm not driving when it's pouring rain, especially when I can just kind of wait it out a little bit. And I would have swore this dude in this comp orange Cobra would have left. I would have been like, see ya. Same with the 5500. I would have been like, see ya. That big truck. Damn. Whew. Ugh. Man, let's get out of here. Whew. I mean, it's still raining, but I forgot which one was my wipers. I just got the car washed last week too. Ah, man. All right, let's head out of here. Let this fella go first, but I guess this will be like a stress test with these tires. Switch this to the weather mode too. Might as well. We'll stiffen up the suspension and also go ahead. Also go ahead and modulate the throttle for me. This fella turning in here? Hurry up, brother man. I'm not trying to get caught at this light, but I think I actually might get caught, because if that light, it just turned green. All right, hurry up. I think this is my chance right here. There we go. Woo! Man, I hate driving in the rain. I know Shelby Pierce are pissed. What are you doing driving in the rain? It's crazy because I don't have my back seats, I literally hear the tires picking up all the water right now. Like, this is, can y'all, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but like, it was gonna pick up through the GoPro, but I literally hear the tires picking up all the water on the road because I do not have my back seats up. And this is actually the first time I've driven this car like an actual like rain, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not coming down hard, but the first time I'm actually driving the car out when there's like a decent amount of water on the ground. So I've gotten caught in like a little bit of rain, whoa, but nothing like this. I'm taking the long way home. I'm not gonna jump on the highway. There's no point. I'll take the longer way home just to be a little bit safer. Hopefully it's safer. I'm literally picking up all the water. Sounds pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie. Sounds badass. I bet on the highway it sounds crazy. Alright. Oh. I know they're pissed behind me. I wasn't paying attention right there. I didn't know that it was, oh, no. He made it. But to be fair, he probably knows, like, damn, this guy's on a tire. You know what I'm saying? Driving a Mustang in the rain. He gotta take it slow. Man, I got the filter on the car, too. On the ProCharger. Yeah, I really don't want to be on the highway right now. Just take this slow. I'm gonna have to have my boy come detail the car. Probably next week. Into next week. When I get it back, Boyd. Whew. Man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back to the crib, because it's gonna be a slow, long journey, because I'm gonna be driving like 30 miles an hour. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not taking no chances.
One eternity later.
All right, made it back to the casa, and man, it's bad outside. It's gonna get real cold tonight, so be safe out there, y'all. These little NT555 R2 tires, you know what I'm saying? They put in some work, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.